wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bulb changes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Unger FS00 flood sucker employs multiple small suction cups rather than one large, increasing your chances of gripping a floodlight securely. Unfortunately, it can only be used with poles that have tension clips, not universal threads. It works well even on dusty lights, however it is meant only for wide recessed units, and it's difficult to detach from bulbs. At number 9, using vacuum technology to create a firm grip. The wagic giraffe is about as non-traditional as they come. Rather than twisting it manually to unscrew an existing light or install a new one, it uses a motorized system that you control via a Bluetooth remote. It pivots for angled access and is powered by 3 9-volt batteries, but the remote is quite finicky. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Mr. Longarm 4003 features flexible gripping fingers that reduce the chances of you dropping a light after extracting it from the socket. It works best with incandescent and compact fluorescent styles, but can be used on almost any type. The spring-loaded design grips securely, however it takes some force to attach a bulb, and it doesn't come with an extender pole. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bulb changes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, when there's shattered glass involved, swapping bulbs can be downright dangerous. You'll need the Alden ease out to get the damaged unit out of its socket. It's constructed with insulated materials to prevent any chance of electrical shock. A safety shield protects your hands, and it's reusable for multiple extractions, but it can't reach high fixtures. Moving up our list to number 6, the ettore 48450 kit is a great value considering its myriad attachments and the long telescoping pole that comes with it. A great choice for homes or businesses with many styles of lights. It can access recessed and track lighting that other models can't. The pole extends more than 11 feet, and it includes a tool for broken bulbs. However, the pole tends to unscrew while in use. Halfway up our list at number 5. No matter how many different types of lights you have installed in and around your property, the Bayco LBC 600C Deluxe kit should be the last one you'll ever need. It comes with 3 heads for tackling most jobs, each of which works with standard threaded poles. It's good for recessed and floodlights, but the plastic construction feels cheap and the suction cup isn't very strong. At number 4, specifically designed to accommodate upward-facing bulbs like those on a chandelier, the Faraday Partners Highlight uses sticky silicone to create a firm hold on hard-to-reach lights. It's one of the only options available that works with flame-tipped bulbs. The pole won't bend or sway, and it separates into 3 parts for storage. It's great for cathedral ceilings. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. While it doesn't come with a pole, the eversprout twist-on works well with nearly any extender with a universal thread mount, so it's possible you already have a suitable one lying around. It uses padded finger-like prongs to grip lights for safe removal and installation. It comes with flanged tips for easy attachment and bends to accommodate larger bulbs. It's virtually indestructible. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bulb changes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the stauber 45704 is a simple device that's designed for heavier lights, with a super strong suction cup that prevents wobbling and drops. It features a steel pin that prevents the cup from spinning while screwing in a new unit. It includes a cleaning device and an easy suction release wire. It fits on any standard threaded pole. And taking the top spot on our list. For standard incandescents, it's hard to beat the Bayco LBC 100. Its long fingers are kept taut with a tension spring, and its body is bright yellow, making it easy to find when you're hurriedly rooting through your junk drawer in the dark. It includes a screw for tightening onto most poles and weighs less than 5 ounces. It also works on spiral fluorescence. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bulb changes, or simply click beneath this video.